Okay, so first gawa muna tayo ng house account. So, search na natin dito yung house or Amazon Web Services, then open. And sa upper right is makikita natin yung create account. But as you can see, we have a existing account. So we're going to Amazon or incognito. Then click this. Okay. Click this. Then you can sign it in. So you need to put your email here. Then house account name 0109. Well, this is just a visualization, but in reality we have a account. So after mo ma-verify yung email mo is magkakaroon ka na ng account like this. So we're going to log this out. Okay? Ayan. So sign in lang natin siya. So dapat alam mo yung ni-register mo na account name or natandaan mo dapat yung kanyang account ID. So yung nilagay kong account name doon is Rod. So we have a many users there but dinilit ko siya. So mag-ano muna tayo. Yan. Try natin to. I am user. I don't know kung maano pa to. So yan. Then we have a MFA code. So later on, we're going to discuss that. But today or right now is ayan. So kailangan nyo mag-download ng Google Authentication para makapag-create kayo. Oh my gosh. So ayan. So nakapag-create na tayo ng account. And ganun lang siya kadali. So that's it.